Locking was originally meant to be a bit more comedic in a certain regard, and it's really awesome to watch and do locking. Um, I start this very vague. Locking entails a lot of really fast movements that require you to freeze. And so, again, for my new dancers to hip hop or my younger dancers when we're still trying to learn our bodies, I have my dancers practice moving really fast and then freezing. For some, this means are you able to run and stop? Are you able to move your arms faster? Eventually, once we've trained our bodies for that consistent being in motion and stopping super fast, then we can nitpick. The logistics of locking entail being able to point and keeping your limbs where they all belong. There's nuances in how you properly hold your fingers and where they all go. And it's about your head being able to move with that. And it's the ability to freeze and lock into a position. It doesn't just happen overnight. Locking has a lot of steps involved with it. When my dancers are first beginning, again, I have them practice moving fast and then freezing. The next thing that I start teaching them is how to point, and we talk about how to lock. For today's video, I'm just going to work on the pointing aspect because that in itself can be challenging. Your hand positioning goes with your fingers over your thumb, and your finger is straight. You have a straight line from fingertip to elbow. There's nothing bent or crooked or anything. And this point happens from the opposing shoulder. Now, you've got to make sure you're not dropping or like lifting your shoulder up in any weird way. It is a straight line across. It goes from this opposing shoulder straight across your body out to the side, oftentimes accompanied by a head snap. Now, you have to be careful when you point to the side that you're not lifting up and going elsewhere. It goes straight across to the side. From there, you can go into other positions. You can swap to the other side. You have options. These can go forward or backwards, and like I said, they can take you into other steps depending what the choreography or dances that you are doing. Feet placement for locking is its own ball of wax. So you're going to rotate based on where you're at. For today's video, I'm not stressing on the feet. Just know that there are a lot more logistics in regards to your lower body and how you lock with your hips and heel positioning. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about house. I will see you then.